So hey guys, I'm just from dropping my kids at school, and that feeling of driving away never really gets easier. I always wonder, are they okay? Are they stressed? It's now 2 p.m, 4 hours later. I'm back in the office, but I just can't help but think, have they left school? Have they reached home safely? Or do I just have to log into the home CCTV camera and watch? You see, they've arrived. I didn't have to call anyone. No guessing, I just know. This is the reason why I built Terra Go, to give the same peace of mind to parents just like myself. If you'd like this for your family, nominate your child's school at goterrago.com and we'll take it from there.